Hey, Chad. How's things going? Oh, I kind of like this new look. Let me know if this sounds good. Hey, Dylan. Welcome, man. Hope you're doing well. Does it sound good, Dylan? Does it sound good? Oh, good. Lovely, man. Muhammad, welcome. First time seeing your name here, but welcome to the stream, man. Tian, how's it, Jeff? I'm doing well, man. Can't complain. How are you guys doing? Did you guys take any trades today yet? Oh, I know Dylan dropped a little something in the Discord this morning. Prowess, hey, welcome, guys. Tix, welcome. Please remember to like and subscribe, guys, if you are a new viewer. Hey, I'm sorry, my mind, yeah. I'm searching for TikTok. I'm typing Tix. Let's see if we can finally go live on TikTok as well, seeing that our ban has ended. Are you guys excited for today? I want to show you guys what happened to me yesterday. Kinda sucks, but you know what can I do about it? Okay, so that is downloading right now at the moment. So yesterday I had two trades. I had gold over here, and we basically waited for price to break above this level over here. But I will say, very well played by the market maker. Very well played. Break above that level. Price came into this level over here, as you guys can see. Okay, so here's my thing. Also, price came to this level. Let me show you guys something on the 1 minute real quick. So you'll notice here, okay, this is different. But on my terminal with the Deriv, this candle only came till here. So I was like, damn, okay. No, it did tap. I'm wrong, it did tap, my bad. So I had kind of a late entry, so I entered more or less around this point. Not as bad. As you guys can see over there, I had some drawdown, went to profit. Initially, those who entered down here went straight into profit. Price hovered around, and then I got stopped out, right? Okay. And then there was EU as well. And I also took longs on EU. But notice this. So this is that trade where I said I cut -3. I sent this trade out for a stop loss of 15 pips as well. This was with gold, so I figured when gold hit stop, like, okay, I don't want to have too much risk open, so I just closed my trades, and look at that, the one I closed hit TP. So we also called this trade yesterday on stream. This demand zone, perfect tap into that level. Also shout out to Luke for that trade. I think he took it. I think Luke actually took it. But yeah, we can't catch them all. We'll dive a bit deeper into EU in a second. First of all, we do have CPI coming up tomorrow, but let's start off with the synthetic side of things and just see what's on the table over there. So looking at Boom 1000 on the 4 hour. Just give me a second. Okay, so looking at Boom 1000 on the 4 hour, we can see price has just been dropping. So initially also we can see over here, this was last month's low. Price has broken below that levels, basically swept it. Price also came to, not last month, sorry, the November's low. Price swept it. We can also see over here the 31st of October. Okay, they didn't sweep this low, but initially they swept November's low over here. We can also see this last lowest price is left over here with this after the break of structure. So it's just the peak formation low. Price almost came to that level, which I think might still be in the table. I think price might still drive or might still trade all the way down to that level. But just following a structure over here, we can see price has initially tapped into this supply zone over here. So if you go to a lower time frame, you'll see that there's a break of structure right over here. That break of structure left us with a supply zone. and we can see that got invalidated. So as you guys know, I don't buy boom, but I'm gonna have to wait it out. There's really nothing over here which I can say, okay, you know, I can look for a sell on. Sorry, this is all the way over there. What was the date on Monday? Was that Tuesday? So Monday was 13th. Okay, so here's the weekly open. And also, if you look at the weekly structure from the standpoint, price has broken above that level, but I need to see it actually hold above that level for 3 candles. So currently right now, nothing I can do on boom 1000. I have to wait it out to see whether this becomes a no trade zone this week or whether the price will actually continue pushing lower, but there's nothing I can do right here at the moment. Maybe when we get to this level up here, in this fair value gap, maybe around that point, if we can have price do something like this on the 4-hour and start holding, then maybe, just maybe, we can trade back down towards the weekly structure box. Yesterday gold went all the way to like we wanted. Absolutely stunning, man. I was actually looking at it I just before I went live, and I was like, the chart's level held, but I'm saving the good ones for last. I'm getting there. Okay, so we can see over here as well, precision on point. Second TP was hit over here, and price basically started pulling back into that level. So let's just have a deeper look here real quick. Oh, boom, 300 is stripping out. Okay, so initially we can see this over here. This is an Asian range. This is an untested Asian high. Right over here. Okay, untested Asian high. So initially that will be a point I'll become a lot more vigilant of as price hits to that level. But initially, looking a bit deeper into this, let's go to the 15-minute real quick. Okay, just wanna have a quick look over here. So yeah, we can remove this. So initially, I would say this is just this is the supply over here. My only thing is that Asian high is untested, but we'll mark out the level and we'll just see how price reacts at this level. If there's something nice, you know, we'll take it again. But as you guys know, I'm highly selective how I enter these trades on crash and boom. Okay, so that's boom 300 right there. Let's move on to crash 1000. There's nothing on the table here either. I did look at it earlier. We need to wait for price to trade down. As you can see over here, price is still stuck within that range of the weekly open. So I need to see price take out this Asian low and come trade all the way down towards this demand zone down here before I can start looking for something. Okay, just give me a second quickly, guys. Okay, it's looking good. I think it's looking good. Sorry, I just wanna set up the TikTok stream quickly. I just had to update TikTok quickly. I hope you're gonna get banned again. Maybe I should not put trading in there. Maybe I should not. Let's just say pre-CPI live data. Before I do that, let me just make sure everything is fine. Yeah, okay, seems like everything's running smoothly. Alrighty, and we are live on TikTok as well. And everything seems good, smooth sailing. Yeah, everything's looking good. Everything's looking good. So yeah, like I said, we need to wait for crashes right all the way down here. Let's look at crash 500. So also here on crash 500, as you can see, price is still holding, and to see it trade all the way down here before I can start looking for buys. So I'm still waiting, just refining that zones. What's next on the table? Crash 300, same thing. We need to see price trade all the way to the downside before I can look for something on here as well. Wait a minute. Okay. Ooh, but wait a minute. Ooh, price went through that level. What time was this? During Asia. Okay, this is interesting. This is very interesting. This is very interesting. Is there anything we can refer to on the left? Okay, so I will have to wait for it to trade at least up until... This is actually perfect. This is perfect. For to trade until here. Institutional point. $3,750. Okay, so I need to wait for price to trade to that level, and I'll start looking for some longs there on crash 300. Boom 500, also need to wait for price to trade to the upside. So far, looks like price wants to go bullish. Looks like we're gonna go bullish. I'm not 100% sure how we're gonna react to this level up here, but we can mark out that supply. So quite the supply zone, but I'll be very extreme with it. Okay, so that is boom 500 right there. Just mark out this Asian range as well, in case it does go to today. You can see so far Asian low untested, Asian high slightly swept. But okay, let's move on to the currencies. We'll come back there later on. Okay, so let's go to gold. A lot happened there yesterday. So this was at the Chad's level all the way down here with this demand zone. Remember yesterday I still said to was it again? I think it was Byron. Is Byron here? I think it was Byron. I basically said to him that the fact that we're at this Asian low, you know, that's why I didn't trust it, but it reacted beautifully. It reacted beautifully in confluence with that level you guys called out. So that was amazing. So moving forward, looking deeper into this, we can see that this is where price actually flipped basically. Break was actually a break to the downside. Here's that supply. That supply over here. So this is where price basically flipped. Price to the upside, refine that level. So back at that level there again after Chad yesterday, and also in the demand zone. What's also interesting about this level is there's a slight inverse fair value gap here as well. Okay, so there's that fair value gap. So yeah, like, oh, and look at that price dropping there on gold. So that was Dylan's kill zone over here yesterday. So you can see over there, this is where price basically stopped me out and went back up, which I was really mad about, but it's okay. It's okay, we can't catch them all. Going to the 50-minute over here, we can see that the Asian low, Asian high is untested so far. So if they break below this Asian low, then it's overs good overs. And also what's interesting about this, and once again guys, this is not financial advice, like this is purely me just documenting my journey and for entertainment purposes for you guys. But what I've noticed about news is, like, it's very rare that the news will occur at the peak formation high or low. It usually happens during the trend. So like if we can get in on gold today, and GU, and tomorrow's data comes out, and look at what the dollar is doing. Seems like it's starting to reverse. So if the news is gonna push, if the news is gonna push dollar down tomorrow, then and if we're already in the trades, break even, risk free, we don't even have to execute tomorrow. We literally just see our price be pumped further into our favor. So that will be interesting to see. We can see GU slowly trading down to this level, slowly but surely. You can see Asian high is untested, Asian low has been swept. Here's a demand zone as well with that fair value gap from yesterday. Now there's a new day, so different entry criteria. So I'm still gonna wait in the 1 minute for change of character. Wait for price to basically sweep this level. So basically some pattern, something like this. I need to see price come down here with a clear formation, forming a low, a pullback, a low, a pullback, tapping into this level, respecting it with a displacement, changing character, and then leaving with a new fair value gap so that I can then look for that pullback so that I can get into that trade. What's also going to be beautiful about this is we also have institutional levels slightly below this level. So this is yesterday's Asia low, and then we also have 1.21250 at that level as well. So we literally have demand zone, fair value gap, or flip, yesterday's Asia low, and institutional level. So entering from this level, it's literally going to be mechanical and not based on emotion. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see. EU, on the other hand, what did I say for EU again? What did I say for EU? Oh, I actually expect that they would come back to this level down here. And the reason why I say that price broke through that level, the last flip zone basically took place over here. So I would say also fair value gap. So here's a fair value gap. And then we also have a demand zone here. So pretty interesting zone. I know it looks messy now. But as price comes to these levels, we're basically gonna get rid of them and start looking for that reversal pattern to start forming. But this is the zone. Like all of this over here, this is what should hold price. If it breaks anywhere below this level, I'm not gonna be looking for further buys on it. So it's gonna be interesting to see what happens on the market today. Like I said, it might be a slow day. 7 minutes till PPI. Oh, there's PPI. Okay, interesting. I will say I still have my buy limits in there. However, what I will do with those buy... Oh no, I'm wrong. I don't have buy limits. Well, Dylan, if there's gonna be news coming out now, then I'm gonna place a buy limit on it. Okay. Buy limit has been set at that level. So that's my buy limit level. And my stop. The TP should be 3 for the top one. There we go. Hey, Lana, welcome, man. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Okay. So I also want to see, Dylan, what did you guys do this morning on gold? What did you guys do on gold this morning? Um, Wait, what? I'm so confused. Okay, 11ish. Okay, so Dylan, you sold from here somewhere. No, 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 I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Ja, si Dylan, jy klap mos vir goud, jong. So Dylan's entry this morning was at 72.26. His stop was at... Even the stops are getting tighter too, huh? Stops. Oh no, it's the same stop. Okay, okay. TP1 665. So your first TP was clapped. Beautiful. So I'm assuming you break even now. Yeah, beautiful, Dylan, man. Beautiful, beautiful. And we want to see a trade down. We want to see a trade down. That's mooi, mooi. Baie mooi. Got stopped after 12 for break even. Okay, okay. Okay, I'm assuming it's after 12. Okay, but still a nice trade though. Still a nice trade. Middag kerels, kom eens eet. Hey, welcome. Welcome, Andreas. Mr. Breitenbach. Your TikTok banned me again. Violation for fraud and scams. What the fuck, TikTok? No one was even watching my live. Submit appeal. Okay, submit appeal. Let's have a meeting with TikTok there. Middag kerels, kom eens eet. Kom eens eet, kom eens eet. Mr. Breitenbach, I've placed a buy limit on GU. What's the one PVC we're looking at? Hey guys, what's the one PVC we're looking at? Cake for thingy, so knowing this speed can go 80 pips so quickly, I need to go try and refine this level if it's possible. Hey, what just happened there now? Did 5 minutes go by so quickly? I can't believe 5 minutes went by so quickly now. Come on. Okay, it's to the T there. Okay, what's the other pair we said I was looking at on synthetics? What did we say? Was it boom? Oh yeah, boom 500. PPI released. Christopher story. I can't like I know the Adeline said 7 minutes. But yeah, it just shows how much is going on in my mind. Yo, Dylan. So so Dylan. Apparently the times. Apparently it's. Apparently the time is coming soon. So okay, so okay, let's quickly do it. Let me quickly start off with this. Okay, I don't know. ISO 20022 is becoming crucial for crypto integration into traditional finance. XRP leads the pack with its official cross-border payment solutions. Ne? Cardano focuses on security and scalability, making it a top contender. Quant enhances okay, being different between blockchain networks. Algorand offers fast transaction with strong security measures. Okay. Ripple, unique positions like large tanks to making it okay. So here it says making it preferred for institutions, and that this is all these banks. Ripple can process up to 1,500 transactions per second, making it one of the fastest cryptocurrencies available. It's cost-effective, bro. Ripple is cheap. Try sending money to someone in Bitcoin compared to Ripple, and see how much money you save. So Ripple has Ripple has established strong ties with nations like Bank of America and Santander. I don't know who that is. Where's the thing with the date? Oh, here's it. I think this is it. So apparently there's 6 coins. They're gonna use. The Federal Reserve FedWire funds solution to the ISO message format in a single day of the 10th of March, guys. The 10th of March. Ripple is gonna, guys, look here. This is not financial advice, ne? But remember that guy back in the day who said who begged people to buy Bitcoin for $1? Listen to this, ne? The old FedWire application interface format will be retired on the 9th of March 2025. The format is mandatory. All banks will need to be compliant with the new format to enable successful wire transactions. This transition requires strong coordination among banks, service providers, software vendors, and the Federal Reserve has prescribed a series of preparation and tests for participants to ensure a smooth transition. And okay, here's what the banks do to undisrupt it. Okay, now listen to that, Ripple is going to be used by banks to do cross-border payments. It is mandatory. That they have to use it. So here's the thing. What's the other thing I want to say about Ripple? So apparently BlackRock alone is going to be injecting $9 trillion into Ripple. Guys, I don't think you guys understanding what I'm saying. I don't think you guys hear the words coming out of my mouth. Oh no. Coin market cap. Okay, ne? Let's go to coin market cap. Ne? Let's go to coin market cap. Let's look at the market cap of the top currencies. We know Bitcoin is king. What's Bitcoin's market cap? Okay, this is hundreds. Oh no. Okay. Wait. I need to do this properly now. Okay, this is hundreds. This is hundreds of thousands. This is hundreds of millions. This is hundreds of billions. This is $1 trillion market cap, ne? On Bitcoin. Okay, look at Ripple. Look at their market cap. Hundreds and thousands, hundreds of millions, hundreds of billions. Not even 200 billion, but they're the third biggest crypto in the world. They the, huh? Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. I don't think you guys hear the words that is coming out of my mouth. I don't think you guys can hear the words that's coming out of my mouth. If these people don't, like, I'll be honest, ne? If you guys are watching the stream, ne? For the office. If Ripple moves by March, ne? And we still hunting for the office. And I'm leaving everything right there. And I'll start my own office because I'll have a shitload of money. But it's the 14th of Jan. Yeah, I'm gonna be like a child now, counting down the days. I'm like a child now, counting down the days. Let me just fix the stuff here. Fix the screen. Yeah. Okay. Hey, Crash is coming down there. Hey, what's happening here? The markets are moving. Okay, let's go see. Looking for Bitcoin to clear 102. Then I think we can go higher. Hey, Jerian. Good afternoon, chat and JV60 thing. Hey, Jerian. Bitcoin is clear. I was talking over the fact that it's 10k. That it's over the fact that it's 10k already, which means even before March we could see Ripple drop like strippers panties. Yep, we can, definitely. But I know, bro. I know for a fact, bro. End of March, bro. End of March. Hey. End of March. You coming, Papa. You coming end of March, baby. Yeah. Tried buying the tip yesterday, got tapped up a ball and went up. Sure. I think tomorrow CPI is going to be big. Oh, the ship is a third now. I haven't even checked it for a while. It used to be 7th. My bro. When last time I checked it, it was 4th. And now it's 3rd. This has to come down and it's risk on. Jevon signal right. The signal right is what makes it so high, Jev. The signal makes. Wait, what do you mean? I'm so confused. On my bro, on Luno. Buy the corner. Jerian. Wait. Before you try and buy any coins. Use this link, bro. Buy for 500. Then we both get money as well. We both get extra 200. I think we'll be able to buy like 4 coins each. More. 4 coins each if it moves is $40,000. So use my link, Jadian. We're all in this together. Let's Man na 200 rand. Ben nie geld gebruik vir ander goed nie. Koop nog Ripple met dit. Okay, Jerian. Oh shit. Is this thing now? Jadian, sorry man, use the second one, the second link. Use this link ne, and then you deposit and buy 500 rand of Ripple ne. This is not financial advice. I'm telling you what to do to get the 200 rand. Then you have to buy 500 of any crypto. And then we both get 200 rand free Bitcoin. And then we exchange that Bitcoin for, and we now listen to this ne, listen to this ne. A payment was made to me yesterday ne, where for 11 Ripple ne, 11 Ripple. Back in the day, if I received 11 Ripple, it would be like 110 rand. Yesterday I checked my Ripple and it's like, why is the money so much? Like, why does it seem like there's extra money in my Luno account? Then I realized, oh damn, the price went up. And guys, ne, look here, ne, for Ripple to move from here, for Ripple to move from, where was that move? For Ripple to move, when Ripple was here, ne, when Ripple was here, if someone sent me like 11 Ripple, ne, it would be like 100 randish, ne, it will be like 100 rand, 110, 120 rand. Now if you send 11 Ripple, that's like 500 rand. That's like 500 rand. I was flabbergasted, and I was like, you're like, it's crazy how the value of it has gone up, and that is like only to $2. I don't think we can actually fathom how much money we're gonna be making. I think that when we can calculate the numbers, like in a sense of like, if you say now you own 10 coins, you'll have $100,000 based on the exchange rate. $100,000 is right now 100,000 USD to ZAR. It's now almost 1.8 million rand. 1.8 million rand. So if you buy 10 coins, you have 1.8 million rand. All I'll be saying is, guys, I'm walking away with at least a 15, 20 mil. But I'm gonna try and buy as much more as I can right now. But yo, fuck me, suck. Yo, my bro, Jarian, don't sleep on Ripple, my bro. Don't sleep on Ripple. Ask the people who's been watching me since last year, when I was streaming with Chris Dim, when I used to talk about Ripple. Ripple was still here. When literally we go back to those streams and go watch them and go see when I left there in like July, August, say July I left. So literally all this time over here I was punting Ripple and I was telling people, buy Ripple. People didn't believe in me. People think I was talking kak. People didn't believe in my vision. Kyk waar is ons nou. Ons gaan nog 'n lang pad opgaan. I honestly believe, like, I'm gonna sound like a Ripple enthusiast now, or like I'm giving. But guys, honestly, like this coin, if I'm right about this, if all my information is right and this thing goes to $10,000 per coin, this is gonna be my breakthrough. This is gonna be my breakthrough. Honestly, that day, guys, I'm telling you guys now, really, that day when it happens, and we here on stream, and we see price go up, or if price went up and we come on stream, I promise you guys, we're gonna come here. It's gonna be vibes. I'm even gonna have Michaela come on here. We're gonna cry on camera and shit. Like, but honestly, like, I don't think you guys understand. Like, because do you know what I will do with that money? Do you know what I will do with that money? Yo, no one's ever gonna hold anything over my head anymore. No one can ever close a door in my face ever again. And I can do my vision like the way I intend to do it. And trust me, when I get that money, it's take off. It's take off. I'll forward it to you now, Jaden. Tuku. Guys, I'll tell you guys how invested these people on is. So I made my mom buy, I made my stepfather buy, I made my brother buy. They're all up. Everyone's up. They've tripled their money so far. They have tripled their money. My mom got a cat. She named the cat Luno. You guys from Luno the exchange? She named the cat Luno. They wanted to name the cat Ripple. And they're like, nah, Ripple's too much. Luno. They named the cat Luno. I'm not the guys, hear me out, I'm not the crypto enthusiast, but here's an opportunity because they're transferring the world's wealth to a new payment system. How can we not be part of that? How can we not be part of that? This is the greatest transfer of wealth history's ever gonna see or has ever seen. Okay, wait, let me get to the chat here. The American will smack my TP. You see, that sucks, Dylan. But it's okay. It's okay. We're still fighting here. Ripple prices in the year. Andreas, $10,000 per coin fixed. $10,000 per coin fixed, if not more. But not less than $10,000. I'm thinking before October, somewhere between 200. But after October, it could do a single hit, move from 200 to 1,000. Yep. I sent it to you on WhatsApp. Hey, Jevon, bro, I remember. We still spoke about it. I mean, we look weird for mentioning cryptos. I still brought in the chat. My friend buy 50 Ripple coins when I 55 cents. He thanks me every day. It never sucks. You're only as good as your last trade. True. You guys got me all excited now for this Ripple again. Like that. I've been like so like it's been so draggy, man. Like so long. But also, do you know why this is very significant? Do you know why it's very significant? Let me show you guys something. Let me quickly flip back here. This picture. Trump and the CEO of Ripple. There's good things coming, guys. The thing is just make the responsible decision, Don't be left behind. Al wat ik zeg, don't be left behind. What's EU doing? Yo, I need to catch a breath quickly. The biggest reason I'm so interested in Ripple is because Ripple has fought the SEC for 7 years, paying millions and millions of fees. So Dylan, very interesting you mentioned that. Very interesting you mentioned that. Now I'm going to show you guys something, Pay to play. What is pay to play? Relating to an arrangement in which a charge must be paid to play a game or sport. This can also mean relating to a situation where payment is demanded, often illegally, for those wishing to take part in a particular business activity. But you know, if you own the law, everything is legal. You see, so like you pay to play. Now hear me out on this, Hear me out on this. I don't want to say. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna. If you don't believe me, now I can prove this, Now I can prove this. JP Markets, was shut down, JP Market. You guys remember this whole thing with Justin Paulson, right? Then what happened? Then a fine. And today, what do we have? What do we have today? Fully functional and open. You can even get funded. Huh? Pay to play, my brother. Huh? It's all a game. It's all a big club and we ain't in it. It's all a big club and we ain't in it. Huh? So if you don't believe me, like it can be applied everywhere. These rules can be applied everywhere. Huh? So 62 years old gets excited. Nigerian. That's my. Just doesn't make sense for a company to do that. Then last year, SBI made their first transaction with them. Now it's not down. Even knows Ripple. It's madness now. I'm telling you guys. It's a big club and we ain't in it. Once you become a billionaire, once you start working with billions, you operate in the like. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna send you guys a video, It's called Levels of Wealth, Levels of Wealth. You guys can watch it. You guys can watch it whenever you guys have time. But this will give you an idea, like, and if you really look at the world around you, this will give you an idea of when you start making money, you start opening on a different level. Like, I don't say laws don't apply to people with money, but if you have money, you can pay people to find loopholes. I'll give you guys an example, 50 Cent, why is he so successful? One of the reasons why he was so successful. Did you guys know that, when he started making money, that man hired a lawyer on a retainer, a lawyer that goes with him everywhere he goes. That means everything that man does, there's a lawyer present that will tell him, no, don't do this, do that, don't do this, do that. Every move he makes is calculated. This is why I say when you start having money, there's a different level you start operating on. Very interesting. You also mentioned that, Andreas. Yes, that is true. MasterCard signed deal with the XRP. You can actually go to the images. There is a card made. This is how the Moscow at Ripple looks card looks. So if all these people is yo guys, you know, like yo, I don't think people understand the words that's coming out of my mouth. Like we are really living in an interesting time. And you know, okay, even my stall blade. Even the people who hated me for saying this, and who's buying it now and don't thank me for it, it's still fine, because like as long as everyone's empowered after this, that's all that matters. Then Nansen, you gotta see that your shirt that was like you see what I mean, Jalen? I was just saying now, when we start operating on different levels of wealth and money, now you're exposing our Deriv files. Now people's gonna know one day when the allegations come out, they be like, hey, go back to the stream. And you know it's all because it's so silent. Dylan. Now you're talking, man. The fact that it's so quiet about it is because only a select few people. Like, the thing is, guys, and yeah, I'm sorry to say it, but I'm sorry to say it. It's like, okay, I'm gonna quote Andrew Tate, not everyone's gonna be rich. Someone's gotta flip the burgers, you know? Someone's gotta flip the burgers. And no hate towards, if like, that's what you do, you know? But it's like, if you don't make decisions that will empower you, like, you know, this will forever be like, and the thing is, like, guys, this is life. We have to accept it. This is life. This is the way it is. Until we as a community can start changing that, then that imbalance of wealth can start changing. Because I believe for as long as the wrong people are in control, only select people will be rich and people will be poor, because that's the way the system has been designed, for the rich to get rich and for the poor to get poor. Yeah, it's even some involved with Ripple. Some people move weird. It's fine, Dylan, you know. It's fine, man, bro. I know, the internet never forgets, bro. Because, bro, I've already seen my future, guys. I'm gonna sound crazy now when I say these things, but the thing is, if you can't think so big, then maybe you're thinking too small, But I've already envisioned my future to the point where I can really see, one day, like, I can see myself sitting on the Jackson Hole podium with these big bankers. We're discussing monetary policy and what I should do about inflation, and my solutions, and how I can bring my solutions towards the whole globe. I can see myself doing things like that. I can really see people going back to the streams, finding archives of things I've said that will happen, that I've predicted in this time that will happen. I'm not saying I'm that guy. But I believe in myself enough to believe that I can make a change worldwide. And I will not stop doing what I do until I can make that impact. You know? But yeah. Dylan Hansen will invite you over to the boat party. Then we have a huge screen so you can trade while we're all sailing out the walls for swing. You must just walk topless. I feel like that's what the public will see, Jerian. But then the Don't Blink archives will come out. Jerian, what's your thoughts on Judge Store's ruling is based on cybersecurity? I see if the appealing coming up on the 15th. Bro, they're not gonna do it, Slush. They're not gonna do it, my bro. They're not gonna do it. They can try doing it, but the 10th of March, my bro. The 10th of March, the world's payment systems must change. It's mandatory that they must change. Probably in those Blackwater areas, but no government has laws. Yeah, Jerry's talking about island vibes there. Island vibes. Yo, I'm so now for Ripple now. Like I said, guys, I'm gonna start counting down the days like a little child. You're above the law when you're rich. But the thing is, Jerry, and before we can get to that point, bro, we need to become handlers. Oh no, don't worry. Nightbot is just, I don't know, Dylan. Nightbot just hates you in incognito. Huh? Top G. Okay, doesn't seem like Nightbot likes repeating things like emojis and capitals. Wait, what else? The government has no. Yo. Look at Nightbot censoring Dylan. Nightbot censoring Dylan because Dylan said, there's no laws there where we go. He's deleting evidence here. Wait, let me see, Dylan, what the problem is. Okay. Okay, Dylan, it should be fixed now. Don't worry. Nightbot won't do that anymore. It's fixed. I think so. I've been doing some research on her, and she seems like the bomb. Bro, Slushy, they've been beefing ever since the first day I put Nightbot on here. Nightbot's been. And the thing is, Nightbot's only beefing Dylan, no one else, bro. The only other person Nightbot has beef with was Incognito. And that was once. Dylan gets blocked by Nightbot multiple times on the stream. The Matrix is watching Dylan. It's almost rippled. Guys, I like, yo, when it happens, guys, name. I just want to buy my mom and grandmother, my mom, my dad, and my grandparents a house. Each of them houses, obviously property, investments. But for them to stay in there, because I know that they're not gonna. That's gonna sound fucked up. Never mind. Let's say that. She that needy girlfriend. I'm gonna come now, man. I need to catch a breather, guys. Yo. Yo. Bro, 1 acre of oh, the music stopped. Like, says awkward silence, yeah. Bro, 1 acre of land, that's all. Make a self-sustaining farm. The world won't see me again. I'll do what rich people do for hobbies. I'll do rich for hobbies the rest of my life. It's my days, bro. I wish I can say the same, but I don't know. Who knows? Maybe I don't know. Go in the shadows. Pull strings from behind the scenes. Oh, gold almost at that level. I'm not a person to try and change the world. Nope, not me. The thing is, Dylan, for me, it's I feel like it's a more like I can't describe it. I can't describe it. What that urge is inside of me that wants me to strangle Bill Gates, and like I just want these motherfuckers. I wanna crumble their empires. So definitely a change that came through over here. Need to see if it broke below this level over here as well. Didn't break. Let's see. Oh, this one also looking very choppy. I don't like this. I don't like the way it's looking. And most definitely a sign of investing companies that can change the world. Oh yeah, Dylan, then. Sinye, no pratons. No pratons. No pratons. Now that's what I want. That's the point of this community. Like what I want us to do to make so much money. Ne? That we start new I've said this before. Let's make an example quickly, ne? Let's make an example quickly. Okay. Oh. Okay, you guys know when we trade, ne? There's markets, there's commodities, there's stocks, there's stuff like sugar, coca, coffee, things like that, ne? But there's also things that we use that's not on the market. What I'm trying to say is we should be the people that tap into untapped markets. We create new industries and monopolize them. Let's say, for instance, I'm the face of a company, ne? But I don't have all this money to understand what I'm trying to say. But let's say there's 100 of us. That's billionaires. I mean, guys, why not each throw a few $1 million together, start a massive factory, and then Dylan, I wanna make so much money. Or who was with me the other day who said the Earth is flat? I wanna make so much money and show people we can't leave Earth. Get people close to the opportunity to change your life for the better. Now, definitely. I have quite a few plans with my family. I don't want to say too much, but like one of the things I want to do, like when I get all this money, is like I want to book out the venue, have all the family come there. I'll pay for the petrol, the expenses, shit like that, and have a real serious meeting with the family. I'll give everyone some money. Start up some businesses. We're all gonna be partners. We're all gonna be part of a trust. The people who we feel is most responsible in the family will be the people who have a say in the trust. I get to the point like rich people, bro. Like rich people. If you're naughty, we cut you off the family trust. What's DXY doing? So I have a look here quickly. Okay, so DXY definitely flipped there. Definitely change of character. So let's have a look what's gonna happen over here. If it's gonna hold. This piece is just gonna play with my feelings today. Okay. Come on, gold. Close below that level, man. Close below that level, man. Give us full closure. Give us full closure. Just push this door close, Kanala. Baby. Just push this door close, Kanala. Welcome to Trading Gold. Given just George Soros accepting middle from Biden, tell me that's not some Darth Vader looking ass. Oh no, bro. Yeah, nee, bro. I'm crumbled in, bro. I know George Soros. That man is evil, bro. Evil. That's actually where I got my ideology from. Find weaknesses in systems you didn't build and exploit them. This man literally thinks he's God. They say a lot of people who seem to these medals are men who kiss men. Yeah, that guy looks like yo. I don't even think adrenochrome is working for him anymore. That really sucks. Um. Sure. Come now. Euro GBP. Euro GBP. Let's see. Asian low untested. No confirmation yet. Yeah, Elon put a bid on on TikTok because China's been using it for the last few years and all that was data about America. I saw something like that, yeah. Hey, bro. Yo, I don't know what to say about that. I don't know what to say about that one. Let's see what's gonna happen, yeah. Okay, gold's coming back down. Okay. This might be the one, yeah. This might be the one. This might be the one. And not just America, but every country in the planet has TikTok. Cine, this all okay. I don't want to sound like that guy, but it all ties into like a big conspiracy for surveillance, because obviously, like, if you think about it, like wars of the future won't always be fought with nuclear weapons. It can be data, it can be viruses, it can be, these type of things. So if they can then, like, bro, if the CIA can access our data on TikTok and compile with what they already have, we screwed. Hey, Jerian klapt goal. Oh, Jerian stuur nie vir ons ook signals nie. Hy eet alleen. Hy eet alleen, is reg, Jerian. Is reg. Ah, beautiful trade, bro. Beautiful trade. Hey, sorry, this is not the change of characters. My bad. This is a break. So we're waiting a pattern like this to happen, basically. Then change character. Something like that. And the whole of TikTok story service all monitored and held in China. So even if you're just a person walking by in someone's TikTok video, they have you in that person plus environment. Damn. But I wonder how that would work though. Like, would they even sell TikTok to him? Yes, Mark, it's taking forever. I have an issue with a bunch of billionaires' interest in social media companies. That's not a good look. Now, I agree with that, bro. Especially if, like, also the business they conduct. Like, if you look at Bill Gates, for instance, if he has to want to buy social media, it's gonna be like, oh, huge no, like a huge no, because I mean the man literally makes mosquitoes with numbers on them. Elon Musk, again, on the other hand, he convinces people that space is real, and he's into Neuralink, and iRobot. Sounds to me more like he wants to study behavior, so they can know how they can manipulate us. Jevon, I'm fighting that space topic. Hey, Dylan. Unless, bro, ne, like, I'll always say this, unless, like, ne, like, you organize as a rocket. And let's, like, kom ons gaan selfie op. Then we go check, bro, how far we can go. But I don't believe it, bro. I don't believe it. 30 minutes close in the next 3 minutes. If it closes below, I'm looking for shorts. 6, okay. So you want to short it. You want to short it. 66250. I'm just gonna say Dylan. Out D for Dylan. D level. You say waiting for the 30 to close. but the thing is, bro, like, okay, how do I describe this? No, but you can't say that. That's different though. That's different because like like there's little evidence where he was buried, where he was crucified. You know, sometimes you can even feel him. Okay, Dylan. Why is the sky blue? Why is the sky blue? Not now. I just set up the. Okay, all good, all good. Come on, what's your story, huh? What's your story? So crazy on the ground made from rocks that the fall from space is just bullshit. Um, wait, let me wait. Let me quickly see what you mean by that. Um. Oh, okay. Were you referring to this? Greatest on Earth, ne? You referring to this, ne? You're referring to like these things where meteors basically fell into. Dylan, if I'm correct, this is what you're referring to. Because I know what's the cause of it. I know what's the cause of it. Mainly from mainly from the water droplets contained in the atmosphere reflecting the light from the ocean, because it's undeniable that the ocean is blue. Okay, okay. Okay, I can't go outside now. I'm on Steam. But hey, I want two things. Um, yes, but those are much smaller than the ones happen throughout the year. Every year, shooting stars in the sun. Or what about a telescope? See, that's the other thing. Yeah, that's the other thing. I've never looked through a telescope. Ne? So if I can look at the telescope, if you can bring me a telescope, and I look through that thing, and I'm like, shit, there's Saturn, there's Jupiter, then I'll be like, okay, like these planets that they speak of. Um, but okay, so at night though, okay, so this source basically mainly from the water droplets contained in the atmosphere reflecting the light from the ocean, which is undeniable the sky is blue. Okay, where did you find that theory? I think the way we understand how we understand the map is different as well. Okay, ne? This is not a flat Earth. This is Earth that we know of, the present Earth. But it is also not as represented like this. It's way bigger. It's way bigger. Of course, we won't find it on here. This is the way I. Huh? Where is it? Where can I find it? Flat Earth map with 33 continents. Okay. This looks bad because it's Reddit. This looks bad because it's Reddit. Nah? It's science. But okay, but then again, like, Dylan, like, remember what they said about COVID? It was science. The science. I don't... Bro, scientists agree with whoever pays them. Whoever funds them. So basically, this is the way I understand it. This is the way I understand. Okay, this isn't the map I'm familiar with, but basically, like, this is, I can't zoom in. This is Earth over here, basically in the middle, and there's the ice layer, and there's more continents, and there's an ice layer, and there's more continents, and some of these other continents or worlds is what we call Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, whatever you want to call them. But it's... Yo, bro. It's gonna sound crazy, Dylan, eh? It's gonna sound crazy if I say it, ne? But bro, like, there's monsters there. Remember night and day are just things we use for time to make humans fall in the system, but reality, the Earth just turned, the sun is longer on our side and it's evening. Okay, here's my other thing, ne? Here's my other thing, ne? How does the Earth spin? Ne? How does the Earth spin all around the planet? If the Earth is so big, how does it spin all around the planet with certain places, I don't know how to describe it. Okay, let me put it this way. Did you know that there's a part of the Earth where the sun never sets? Because if that's the case, then where is Earth rotating to? The pyramids above the Earth is round. The pyramids prove that the Earth is round because of how it's built and the exact latitude of the Earth, which line up with the other pyramids across the globe. Okay, so now my question also is, who built those pyramids? How did those people back then know exactly where to put those pyramids? If it's if science was only created a few hundred years ago. This is why I say, bro, like ancient knowledge and science are two different things. Incognito, super busy today. Yana, I noticed you weren't here, just checking in. Welcome, welcome. We are waiting here. We are waiting. The market's playing with us, same as yesterday. Slow day, slow day. Okay, so I didn't also want to ask you this, I also want to ask you this. Are you religious? Or do you believe in religion, or you believe in silent in science? Oh my word. Okay, okay, okay. But now I wanna ask you something quickly. I wanna ask you something quickly. Do you believe in religion or science? Okay, okay. I see where Galileo is now. I know this name, bro. I have a book about this, and oh, bro. Okay, I believe in the creator and I believe Jesus is real. I also believe he did rise from the dead and okay, okay. So what language what language did Jesus speak? What language did Jesus speak? Didn't he speak Hebrew? Wasn't he a Hebrew? Okay. Fair enough. Okay, so now, are we gonna deny the fact that one of the languages that Jesus spoke? Oh damn! I just realized I was on you the whole time. I didn't even realize that. Um, okay. Uh, okay, so I want you to go back to this basically, and this is why I say we must be careful when it comes to science. Nee? So in the beginning, creation was heaven and the earth. Nee? Now the earth was astonishingly empty, and darkness was over the face of the deep, which means there was already darkness. It was dark all over. And the Spirit of God was hovering over the face of the water, which means this darkness was also a lot of water, which makes a lot of sense if you think about it. Body is 70% water. The earth is covered by 70% water. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God said the light was good, and God separated the light between the darkness, called the light day and called the darkness night. Ne? So God said, "Call day a light day and darkness night." Okay, so then he said, let them be expanded in the midst of the water, let there be a separation between water and water, and God separated the water that we saw below the expanse of the water. I'll get to this point. Wait, this is wrong. This is wrong. Why is the Hebrew Bible wrong? So why are you leaving out the firmament? Are you gonna load? Oh, you're gonna load? Okay, so on the void and the surface. And now all of a sudden we're gonna find stuff that is not translated properly. My point is that Dylan, I showed you guys on stream the other day. I have a literal Torah here with me, ne? One of the first Bibles to exist, ne? And in there, it basically states that there was water and water. God separated the water from the water. Now the question is, what is this water? If the earth 70% water and he separated the water from the water, and then it makes sense why the earth will be at the bottom where there's something separating it, which is the firmament. So then, if there's a firmament, how do you explain that? What is this firmament that was spoken of for since the beginning of time? They spoke of the firmament, and all of a sudden, that information has been put away and away and away and away. More as the world is getting lost and lost and lost and lost is to hide all this old knowledge. And it goes back to what you also said. Most likely, yes, Jesus was an old man who basically knew old knowledge. But the question is, where is that knowledge? Where is that knowledge? Understand what I'm trying to say? Also, when it comes to his age gap, I have a theory about it. People don't like that theory, but I'd rather not say it publicly. But that would also explain why he knew the things he knew, especially if he was a conscious individual, you know. Yeah, like that's a very good example. So why I say that, Dylan? Now to come to the second part of my question: do you believe in science or religion? No. Nowhere in religion is there spoken of nowhere in religion is there any sort of mention of aliens, but there is mention of aliens, of angels and demons. That's what I'm trying to say. So this means that if we're going to refer to aliens, most likely what is entering the planet now, when they're telling that aliens are coming, it's demons, bro. Because we're living in the end times. But think about this, ne? Think about this, going back to what you said now with repentance, ne? Now, say aliens appear. People don't know this is actually demonic acts. And now they don't repent. And now they submit to the, to the extraterrestrial being, because we're supposed to be scared of aliens. This is why I say, Bruno, like, if we... Even what we're doing right now, bro. Even what we're doing right now, ne? All this, bro, like, all this, ne? We are lost, bro. We are lost, bruh. Me streaming, we're trading these markets, we want to make money. We are so lost in the world, my bro. Because that knowledge that we're speaking of, that old knowledge, to heal people, to keep ourselves healthy, to live with abundance, to live with love, to live in a world where there is almost no hate, no envy, no greed, no lies, it becomes non-existent. Because everything, guys, like think about this, bro. Everything. It literally says that Satan is the prince of this world. Now think about it this way, ne? This man, Satan, has been here since the beginning of time. Think how much knowledge this entity has to manipulate us, to lead us astray from God. What's one of the biggest things what's the main thing he offered Jesus? He offered Jesus, I'll give you this whole world and riches if you worship me. If you look at what we're striving for. You understand? We're all striving towards money. Just to be free. Think how crazy that is. We would go as far as, just think how far you would go for making your money. Just think about that. That's what I'm trying to say. This is why I say, bro, like, we are all lost, bro. We are all lost. The only way we can find our way back, per se. I'm not saying you are lost like you don't know Jesus. Don't take it the wrong way. But what I mean by that is, for us, like, bro, like, they sitting on this knowledge. These people are sitting on this knowledge, and as long as we don't know what they know, we'll forever be having these type of debates. That's what I'm trying to say. I think we went to Egypt, and then after that, probably India. I've also heard a theory like that. In Genesis, they literally say we were so desired that nations came down from the heavens and took wives with them. Now you see that, ne, Dylan. Now, now you see that, ne? Now we're onto something, yeah. Now think about this, ne? Remember, it speaks of the fallen angels who slept with humans, ne? Now think of this, ne? If a fallen angel sleeps with a human, the DNA has mixed, ne? The DNA is mixed. The question is, ne, what happened to those children? You know, obviously they can't live among us. They feed different. They have other sort of abilities. Why would they mix with us? This goes back to these families on the earth who control the planet and why they keep the blood between them. If you think about it all the way back then, it makes sense to keep the DNA pure, to keep the fallen angel DNA pure on earth. I think so undeveloped, and because they were dependent on things and not ourselves. So back then, they only had themselves. I think that's why Alexander had to conquer whole Europe in his 20s now. That's when you can't even pick up chicks. Hey, bro. Dylan, like this shit goes deep, bro. Like, and the deeper you go, the crazier you sound. Like, You guys know the takes. Okay, so according to the Bible, Satan's pride caused him to rebel against God and was cast out of heaven. Satan in Revelation suggested that Satan convinced 1/3 of the angels to rebel against him. So then these angels fell from heaven. So the question is, where did they go? You know? And this is basically like they came to earth, you know? And it's like they came to earth, but where are they? We don't know where they are. This is also, Dylan, here's a question I have, Here's a question that has almost driven me crazy. The Antichrist, The Antichrist. There will be this entity that will introduce the mark of the beast, The question is, this entity, this person, when he comes, will this person be like possessed? Will he be like a normal guy and he gets possessed and all of a sudden, certain things, Or is it going to be someone who is born and the child is risen up knowing that you're going to be the Antichrist, you're going to be, you understand what I'm trying to say? Then the question stems, okay, if he's going to be possessed, has already been possessed. If he's going to be born, has already been born. And if he has already been born, must he still make an appearance on the earth, to the face of the earth, to make himself known to us? Or has he already made himself known to us, but we don't even know that he's going to be the Antichrist yet? Because think about it this way. You would not tell the people that you are the Antichrist. This is why I say this shit goes deep. This shit goes deep. Okay, so doesn't seem like we're gonna get a trade yet today. We are still waiting. I think most of the heavy stories that were just that stories, because writing in the time was like TV, YouTube, so don't stretch it too far. I get you. Gold. But guys, I think I'm gonna end stream. We've been sitting for 2 hours, no trade at all, and the timing is gonna be out. I should have been in my trade already. There's nothing on the table for me. Slow week. Hey, I spoke too soon. Other than knowing the arc, there's still something I contemplate about wilder known stories, just retold differently in multiple cultures. So the evidence is highly plausible. Oh no, definitely. I also believe in that. Phew. Crash has been rude. The thing has just been dropping. Like a boogie bomb was thrown on it. The same reason why dragons had to be real. Every culture's a dragon somewhere drawn in the caves. I didn't wanna take it that far, but yeah, bro. Yeah. This is actually the year of the dragon. This is why I'm so happy. My daughter was born this year. She's born the year of the dragon. Dragon year, baby. Guys, I'm gonna take a small shot here on Crash. Thanks for that, Jevon. It's always nice to be able to speak like this. Nah, definitely, Dylan. Definitely, bro. Like it's definitely something different. Open-minded conversations, bro. It's what we strive for. What we strive for. Uh, Crash 300. Oof. Oh no. Fuck me. Yesterday. Okay, I am in here. I will have sorry, just need to send this out quickly. Oh no. Okay. Um. Shussie. As gaan we kom eet, jong. Ons kom eet nou. This is a lot of work. This is really a lot of work. Okay, almost done. No gold trade for me tomorrow. CPI also trading Thursday again. All good, all good. Dylan Hansen, I believe in the ARC Summit though. I mean, if you read the Bible Genesis where the ARC landed and you go search it, if the ARC landed, Lamech seems really similar to the ARC from the form, something of a ship. But that story is wild because if God really did imagine the 15th day when the rain didn't stop and you have people sitting there around receiving for help. And imagine all of them had inside the ship people. Yeah, yeah. Dylan's getting deep there. Dylan's getting deep there. Hey, thank you, Dylan, man. Thank you, donkey. Let's see how it plays out. Just rewrite my entry there real quick. 3 7 3 4 5 7 2. Alrighty, that's how I manage this position. See if we can get ya. Hey, gold just left without us. Almost. We almost capitalized there. But there's no pattern for me to get in. Euro GBP on its own little mission. Not gonna get involved there either. Some pullback there on crash. Let's see. I'll be right back. Hey, every time I leave, the music's gone. Come on. There we go. Yep, this thing runs all to the DP. I'm bagging back here. We can just have price cross this level, then I'll be good. And I'll be good. Oh, I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna have to cut this. I'll hold it for 5 more minutes and see what happens. So it'll take about 20 minutes to get there. Damn. It's long. Shot Jevon gonna go do some house chores now. All good, Dylan. All good, Dylan. We're just gonna see if we can get back to entry. Then I'm gonna end the stream and see how it runs. Oh, yan na. Another update. Another Fortnite update. Oh my freaking word. Oh man. We. Kon je voortaan niet opmaken? Moet je eens geupdated. Oké, oké, yo, oké. Oké, geen stress, geen stress. Ik zal nou checken. Oh ja. I can't believe this is happening right now. Alrighty. Alrighty. If we can just close above this level, we'll be good. We wanted those gold buys. Wanted those gold buys, but unfortunately nothing. Oh yeah, so guys, if you're not in our Discord yet, this is the link for you to join the Discord and also to be updated on this trade later on. And also, if you need mentorship, you can also hit me up by sending me a message by clicking on this link over here. But looks like things running smoothly over here. Things running smoothly, so I think I'm gonna end stream here, guys. I still have a lot to do. I still have another meeting. Alrighty guys, always a pleasure streaming for you guys. Much love. I'll see you guys in the Discord and tomorrow once again.